Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Wednesday, September 12th, 2018. My lovely, lovely friends. This is what's going on right now, and it really should not be a surprise to you because this thing is part of the new equation, I guess, the new wherever we are in this cycle of madness. Right now, stocks are higher, not by much. Gold and silver are higher, fractionally. Cryptocurrencies are actually catching a little bit of a bid, at least some of them are. So, for the most part, there's nothing going on with regard to those parts of the market. But what is happening, again, you better sit down for this one because I know you're going to be shocked. They are propping up the bonds. This mysterious entity is yet again back, buying up those bonds, keeping that 10-year yield suppressed. You want to have a look at this? In the link in the description of this video is a link to my website, traderschoice.net. Click on that right side of the page under the chat room and you'll see, boom, a big green candlestick. They're in there buying them up. Again, there's something going on that I've outlined a million times for you. The dollar, as we all know, because of these trade wars and geopolitical nonsense, has been getting stronger as of late. Now, that's not a good thing for these markets that, they want to keep pushing higher and higher. So you have that compensatory mechanism there where they have got to make sure that the 10-year yield stays in that sweet spot. Well, the stronger the dollar gets, the more effort has to be put in to keep the 10-year yield in that sweet spot. So we have that compensatory mechanism I talk about all the time. So the U.S. 10-year yield has been creeping up as of late. Oh no, that is a big, fat no-no. Can't be allowed to happen. There's no way that the bond market can be allowed to dictate fair value. At least right now. It will scream at one point, but it's not screaming just yet. So they're in there propping up those bonds, which is putting a little fire underneath the stock market. Again, not by much, just a little bit. But it's enough to keep the illusion real. And we'll see how this plays out moving forward. Again, it's always the same thing, and it's unbelievable. I look at it and I laugh. I literally do. I'm not kidding. But that's just the way it is here. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you long, and there is a reason for that. The interview I discussed yesterday that I did with Greg Hunter, your friend and mine, is out. I really want you to watch it, and I want to hear back from you. Tell me if I went off the deep end. I might have gone a little bit off the deep end in that interview. There is a link to that interview in the description of this video. Watch it. I went over some really important things there. We have got to pay attention to. Anyway, let me know what you think, and I will read the comments over on Greg's channel and, of course, here. And we will reconvene later. See ya.